In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix image in MS Excel. Let's start from the very beginning so everything is clear and repeatable. First, launch Microsoft Excel on your device and open the workbook you want to work with. Once it's opened, click the exact cell where you want your image to live. Think of this as choosing the home base for the picture. This choice determines how the image will align and respond as you edit your sheet. Now head to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. In the Pictures menu, choose Place in Cell. This option is important because it tells Excel to treat the image like content inside the cell rather than a floating object on top of the grid. Next, select this device and browse to the image you want to use. When you've found it, click Insert. With that, the image is dropped directly inside the selected cell. From here, it behaves much like text or numbers in that cell. If you widen the column or increase the row height, the picture scales cleanly with it. This is great for consistent layout, especially in tables where you sort, filter, or print regularly. If you plan to resize, adjust the row height or column width rather than dragging the picture corners. Letting the cell control the size keeps everything aligned. If your image is already in the sheet and floating above cells, you can still anchor and control its behavior. Right-click the image and choose Size from the menu. This opens a sidebar or dialog box. Navigate to the Properties section, where you'll find the behavior settings that determine how the picture reacts to changes in your worksheet. Choose Move and Size with Cells if you want the image fully tied to its cell. This is best when the image should resize as the cell grows or shrinks and should follow sorting, filtering, and hiding. Pick Move, but don't size with cells when you want the image to keep its exact dimensions but still move with the data. Ideal for logos or icons that must stay crisp and consistent. Select Don't Move or Size with Cells if you need a fixed, floating element that ignores row and column changes, such as a decorative watermark or a header graphic that should remain static. That's all there is to it. By placing images in cells or adjusting their properties, you keep your spreadsheets neat, predictable, and easy to maintain. Follow these steps, choose the behavior that matches your layout needs, and your images will stay exactly where and how you want them.